Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, a.k.a. Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through all 101 programs from the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner, a book from the early 1980s that I used to carry around when I was a kid and enjoy coming home from school and typing the programs into my TI-99 4A. I am on program number 31. I'm going to read the program description momentarily. Move over into Classic 99, a very nice emulator for the TI-99 4A on a modern PC, and type the program in, or run it, and see what we can learn from it, see what we can make it do. Without further ado, program number 31, Superior Decision Maker. Remember that yes-no executive decision maker, which was so popular for the computer? Well, the power in the Texas Instruments makes a much improved decision maker possible. In this Superior Edition, a choice of 8 replies is possible. After a run, the computer awaits your press of any key to do another. Okay, here is the program listing. Looks like we have about a page or so of BASIC to type in. Let's get into Classic 99. Let's get into TI Basic. And here we go. 10. Data. Fire someone. Fire someone. You're fired. 20. Data. Pass the buck. $30. Data. Yes. I love how subversive this really is. Pass the buck. Fire someone. No one ever trusts management. Even 40 years ago, no one trusted management, right? 40. Data. Maybe. 50. Data. Reorganize. 60. Data. Sit on it. We could use modern buzzwords like put a pin in it. 70. Data. No. 80. Data. See your analyst. 90. Randomize. That ensures we get a different run through every time. Randomize. 100. Call clear. 110. N equals INT of 9 times RND. 120. If n is less than 1, then 110. 130 for L equals 1 to n. Oops, L equals 1, excuse me, to n. 140, read DM string. Read DM string. 150, next L. 160, print DM string. 170, call key. 0, comma Z, comma X. Not key, Z, comma X, excuse me. Z, comma X. There we go. 180, if X equals 0, X equals 0, then 170, that just keeps us in a holding pattern until a key is pressed. 190, restore. 200, go to 100. Okay, let's clear the screen and list out the program and see how we did here. Looking for obvious typos. And maybe we'll do a slightly more up-to-date version with some corporate jargon here in just a little bit. Let's run it, though, and see what we get. Fire someone. Yeah, so we can hit any key, and it will give us a new decision here. Sit on it. Sit on it. Reorganize. No. Fire someone. Reorganize. Maybe. Maybe. Reorganize. Fire someone. Reorganize. Yes. Fire someone. See your analyst. No. No. Maybe. Pass the buck. See your analyst. Fire someone. No one ever. Let's see. Let's get a screenshot of when it says fire someone here. There we go. Fire someone. All right. Let's we know what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull up some corporate jargon phrases on my phone here. List of corporate jargon. Okay. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna rewrite some of these. 10. Circle back. Oh, data. Excuse me. Let's list out the program. Say put data in front of it. So we're gonna do 10 data circle back. Okay, what else do we have here? Let's see here. Let's see here. Close the loop. I'm trying to find ones that are verb phrases here. 30. Do a deep dive. Oops. 30. Data. Do a deep dive. Okay. 40. Get our ducks in a row. I keep forgetting to put data. Data. Get our ducks in a row. Let's see. 50. Data. Move the needle. These metaphors are terrible, aren't they? Corporate jargon sucks. 60. Data. Run it up the flagpole. Okay, 70. Data. Take it offline. 80. How about think outside the box. Oops, I keep forgetting to put data in there. Data. Think outside the box. Okay. Let's clear the screen. Let's list out our updated corporate decision maker for the year 2025. All right. Let's run this one. This will be fun. Circle back. Circle back. Run it up the flagpole. Close the loop. Think outside the box. Move the needle. Close the loop. Circle back. Run it up the flagpole. Close the loop. Do a deep dive. Run it up the flagpole. Think outside the box. Move the needle. Circle back. Run it up the flagpole. Take it offline. Close the loop. lot of running up the flagpole here. Think outside the box, run it up the flagpole, do a deep dive, circle back, run it up the flagpole, get our ducks in a row. There we go. Run it up the flagpole, close the loop, think outside the box, do a deep dive, circle back, move the needle, get our ducks in a row, run it up the flagpole, get our ducks in a row, circle back, think outside the box, close the loop, move the needle, close the loop, circle back, close the loop, circle back, think outside the box, take it offline, move the needle, take it offline, think outside the box. Okay, how'd we do here? Did we get all of them? Yeah, I think we saw all of those, right? And we could try to add a couple more. That might be kind of fun. Let's do it. So, you know what we could do? We could do 81 data. I'm looking at some of these corporate jargon, corporate phrases. Touch base, 82. Let's see here. I'm just trying to find some examples here. Examples, okay. What other examples can we have here? Synergize, or data synergize, excuse me. The 83 data, go after the low-hanging fruit. 84 data. Okay, let's see if there are any others here. Run the numbers. 85 data. Reinvent the wheel. 86 data. Drill down. 87. Okay, I'm having way too much fun with this. Bring it to the table. $88. Put it on the back burner. And last one, 89. Well, let's see. Data micro manage. All right, here we go. Let's list it. So how many do we have? We've got 8 original ones, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 and 9 is 17 in the original program. So what we need to do, we need to change line 110. So the number 9 there in line 110 was 1 integer higher than the original number that we had. So we need to have n equals int. I believe it needs to be 18 now times rnd. And that should let us think outside the box. We're getting our new ones, put it on the back burner, run the numbers, circle back, do a deep dive, run it up the flagpole, synergize, run the numbers, bring it to the table, think outside the box, close the loop, run it up the flagpole, take it offline, reinvent the wheel, put it on the back burner, move the needle, think outside the box. A lot of thinking outside the box here. Go after the low-hanging fruit. Think outside the box, do a deep dive, micromanage, run the numbers, synergize, run the numbers again, move the needle some more, drill down again, put it on the back burner, synergize, run the numbers, close the loop, move the needle, drill down, put it on the back burner, take it offline, run the numbers, run it up the flagpole, reinvent the wheel, drill down, move the needle, take it offline, move the needle, think outside the box, touch base, go after the low-hanging fruit, bring it to the table, but take it offline, and then bring it to the table again, then run it up the flagpole, then drill down, then take it offline, do a deep dive, synergize, circle back, close the loop, run the numbers, do a deep dive, reinvent the wheel, take it offline, run it up the flagpole, touch base, move the needle, think outside the box, go after the low-hanging fruit, circle back, do a deep dive, touch base, and don't forget to run the numbers. Okay, that was my updated version of this program, Superior Decision Maker, a.k.a. Corporate Jargon Generator. I was having far too much fun with that. In any case, if you are watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my name, Zachary Fruhling, or under my Twitch handle, Cozy Azeroth, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, miscellaneous educational content on topics of various topics of interest to me professionally and personally, and lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days. If you're watching this on Twitch, same thing, check out my YouTube channel for all the above. If you're watching this on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel under Cozy Azeroth for lots of live streaming and all the above topics. In both cases, whether on Twitch or on YouTube, remember to like and subscribe. Subscriptions in particular really help me out right now. I really appreciate it. Hope you had fun with the original version of the Superior Decision Maker from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A, and my updated corporate jargon generator that I created with this Superior Decision Maker as its inspiration. So I was having much too much fun with that, having lived in the educational technology corporate jargon world for way too long. It rings true. That's another way to let it ring true, I guess. Okay, everyone have a good afternoon. I'll be back soon with the next video, and be sure to check out all the videos in this series on my YouTube channel. This once again is from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, a book by Len Turner from the early 1980s. Thank you very much. Catch you in the next video.